Welcome to the Thermo Fisher's Mining Solutions Toolkit app training. In this training, you will learn how to use the interactive app, how to download it, and most importantly, how to display and instruct your client on our solutions offering that can adjust to your client needs. To download the app to your iPad, enter the Apps at Work icon and install. So what is the Thermo Fisher's Mining Solutions interactive app? It is a sales enablement interactive app that displays in a comprehensive way Thermo Fisher Solutions portfolio for our mining clients and prospects. From mineral analysis to complete bulk weighing monitoring and sampling systems to informatics, you will find the latest equipment and technology for mining operations. The app's interface will allow you to move freely around the mining workflow. As you enter the app, it will show the instructions to navigate the tool with three basic moves: touching to select, sliding to rotate, and pinching to zoom in and out to navigate the three levels of information to the app. By zooming in, you will find the different product categories, identified by the rotating yellow marks over every Thermo Fisher product. By touching these marks, you will be selecting the product you want to see in detail. Use the arrow icon on the inferior left side of the screen to go back to the previous level. For a more dynamic interaction and user experience, the app has a general menu where you can customize the app features. Use the arrow icon on the inferior right side of the screen to open the general menu to the app, where you will find the volume control, 4 different optional graphic styles, the language selector where you can select between English, Spanish, Portuguese, and Chinese versions, and most importantly, the contact icon located at the inferior left side of the screen. To close the general menu, just click on the arrow icon again. The app is designed to display Thermo Fisher Solutions in a comprehensive way on three levels of insights to our portfolio and value offer in every phase of the mining process. At the level 1, you will see the workflow displays three main phases of the mining process: exploration, where you will find all of our portable analysis instruments and laboratory technology; processing, with material handling, process monitoring, and sampling solutions; and finally, mineral exploitation and treatment, displaying our filter press, final concentrate, and air quality solutions. At the level 2, you will see the value proposition talking points. On the left side of the screen, an information box will pop up when clicking on the different process phases, displaying the value proposition points Thermo Fisher offers in the respective process phase. Going through handheld analyzers, XRF and X-ray technology, processing and analysis to improve efficiency and productiveness, and the mining preparation, innovation, and reliability. At the level 3, you will see the product detail. By selecting the product highlighted by the yellow rotating marks, the product will jump to the center part of the workflow, displaying a virtual 3D model of the instrument and the product description text box. On this text box, you will find a brief product description, name of the product, its category, and links to marketing pages, brochures, media assets, and the link redirecting to our mining landing pages. To use the app as a sales enablement and prospection tool, there are two different ways to prospect the leads to our Salesforce campaigns directly to the app that will integrate the customer information to an active Salesforce.com campaign that will automatically assign the lead to a salesperson. From the app's general menu, by clicking on the contact icon, will redirect to an electronic lead form. Or you can go from the product details screen by clicking on the contact icon that will redirect to a landing page available in the language according to your location. In that landing page, the customer will have two options: joining our mailing list and/or requesting more information by filling out the electronic lead form.